In 1945, Los Alamos scientists created something that would kill two men and earn the nickname Demon Core. It was just 6.2 kilograms of plutonium, a sphere small enough to hold in your hands, but it was waiting to kill. Physicist Harry Daghlian was working alone when he accidentally dropped a tungsten carbide brick onto the core. The room filled with an eerie blue glow. He knew immediately what it meant: death. 25 days later, radiation poisoning claimed him. 8 months later, Louis Slotin was demonstrating the same deadly experiment. His screwdriver slipped. Again, that haunting blue light. Witnesses watched in horror as Slotin manually pulled the core apart with his bare hands, saving their lives while sealing his own fate. He looked at his colleagues and said, "Well, that does it." 9 days later, Slotin was dead, his body destroyed from the inside out. The sphere had claimed its second victim. Scientists finally retired the Demon Core, but its legacy of terror lives on in nuclear history.